Hi guys, Glenn from Malex Motorsports. Just going to have a quick run through a common combination that we sell here. Your brand new GM LS3 0821 cylinder head. Good value for money, lightened intake valve, ready to bolt on. They're a good thing. A lot of customers running bigger cams do opt for a valve spring change. Now, the Brian Tooley SK001 steel retainer, dual valve spring, is a great option. A beautifully finished valve spring, micro polished, and a well proven spring. I don't know anyone that said a bad thing about Brian Tooley springs. Quite often customers, if they're at home and they don't have a valve spring compressor, or they're going to try to do it with the manual tool, just give us a bell. If you're buying springs and the heads off us, we will just put the springs on for you. That's not a problem. We won't charge for that. So I'm going to do a quick run through on the process when we change the springs. We'll remove the old springs. We'll check the valve height, and then we'll whack it together. So what we're just going to quickly check, the height of the retainer and the valve is correct, so that the spring has got the right amount of closed seat pressure. Now, so we just throw a valve in. We use a handy little height micrometer, which just goes in place of your spring, sits down in there. Insert a retainer, bring the micrometer down a bit. And we can spin that to where it's got to be. And there we have it. We've got a 1 inch 780 thou. So that is the correct valve height for these springs, or for a genuine GM spring as well. You will get a thou or two when everything seats in, but that's on spec, and we'll go ahead and assemble the cylinder heads. So we've popped all our valves back into place. Set our new dual valve springs in there with the retainers in place, and then we'll go ahead with pneumatic valve spring compressor, which makes life easy, and compress them, insert the collets, and then we're done. There we have it, a set of LS3 0821 cylinder heads, brand new, fitted with Brian Tooley SK001 dual valve springs. They're ready to install. So if you're looking to buy a set of heads or any other LS parts, come check out our website at malexmotorsports.com. Cheers.